Welcome back to History of Simple Things. Today's topic comes from one of our viewers, Sharon Yoder. Thanks for the suggestion. You asked, how packing tape is made. Packing tape looks simple, but it's one of the most important products in the modern world. Every day, millions of packages travel across cities and oceans, and a thin strip of tape is often the only thing keeping them securely closed. But have you ever wondered how this sticky material is actually made? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating journey behind one of the most overlooked inventions in shipping and packaging. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. Before packing tape became common, people relied on string, glue, paper labels, wax seals, and even metal staples to secure boxes and parcels. During the early 20th century, as cardboard boxes became increasingly popular for shipping goods, manufacturers searched for faster and cleaner sealing methods. In the 1920s, pressure-sensitive adhesive tape began gaining popularity after innovations by companies such as 3M, which developed masking tape and later transparent adhesive tape. However, the clear plastic packing tape we know today didn't become widespread until the 1960s and 1970s, when strong plastic films like polypropylene became affordable to mass produce. The explosive growth of global shipping, supermarkets, and eventually online shopping transformed packing tape from a simple convenience into an everyday necessity. Today, billions of rolls are produced every year, helping protect everything from books and electronics to furniture and medical supplies. The journey of packing tape begins with its backing material, the transparent plastic film. Most packing tape is made from a plastic called biaxially oriented polypropylene, commonly abbreviated as BOPP. Polypropylene starts as tiny plastic pellets made from petroleum or natural gas byproducts. These pellets are loaded into large industrial extruders where they're heated to temperatures exceeding 200 degrees Celsius until they melt into a thick, flowing liquid. This molten plastic is then forced through a narrow, flat die, producing a thin sheet that resembles a clear ribbon. At this stage, the plastic is still relatively weak and flexible, so it undergoes a special stretching process that dramatically changes its properties. The stretching process is what gives BOPP film its remarkable strength. First, the plastic sheet is cooled and then stretched lengthwise while being carefully heated. Next, it is stretched sideways inside a machine called a tenter frame. Because the film is stretched in two directions, or biaxially oriented, its molecular chains become aligned, making the material much stronger, more tear-resistant, and exceptionally clear. After stretching, the film is heat-set to lock in its new structure. The result is an incredibly thin sheet that is lightweight, yet capable of withstanding the tension of shipping, stacking, and transportation without easily tearing. Of course, plastic film alone wouldn't stick to anything. The next stage involves creating the adhesive coating that gives packing tape its gripping power. Most modern packing tapes use either acrylic or hot melt adhesives. Acrylic adhesives are water-based and known for their excellent resistance to aging, sunlight, and temperature changes, making them ideal for long-term storage. Hot melt adhesives, on the other hand, are made from synthetic rubber mixed with resins and waxes. They provide an instant, aggressive bond, making them perfect for warehouses and fast-moving packaging lines. These adhesive mixtures are carefully prepared in large industrial tanks where ingredients are blended into a smooth, uniform consistency. The adhesive is then applied to one side of the BOPP film using precision coating machines. These machines spread an extremely thin and even layer of adhesive across the entire width of the film while moving at incredible speeds. If acrylic adhesive is used, the coated film passes through long drying ovens where water evaporates, leaving behind the sticky layer. For hot melt adhesives, the material cools and solidifies almost immediately after application. Despite feeling simple to the touch, this adhesive layer is carefully engineered to remain sticky for years while resisting drying out, cracking, or peeling away from the plastic backing. Once coated, the tape undergoes rigorous quality testing. Machines measure the thickness of both the plastic film and adhesive coating to ensure consistency. Samples are tested for peel strength, tensile strength, stretch resistance, and clarity. Technicians also check how well the tape performs under different temperatures and humidity levels. Some specialty tapes are designed for freezing conditions, while others are built to withstand extreme heat in shipping containers. Manufacturers even test how quietly or loudly the tape unwinds, since quieter tapes are often preferred in office environments, while louder tapes are common in warehouses. After passing inspection, the giant master roll of tape, often several meters wide and thousands of meters long, is ready for conversion into the familiar rolls found in homes and businesses. High-speed slitting machines use razor-sharp circular blades to slice the massive roll into dozens or even hundreds of narrower rolls. Each roll is automatically wound around a cardboard core under carefully controlled tension, so it unwinds smoothly without wrinkles or air bubbles. The finished rolls are then wrapped, labeled, boxed, and shipped to distributors around the world, ready to seal countless packages every single day. So the next time you seal a box with a strip of packing tape, you'll know that behind that simple peel and stick lies an extraordinary manufacturing process that quietly keeps the world connected. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.